Hello, everyone. This is Christine Till, the Marketing Mentress, and I wanted to give you a quick, short overview of what you can do in the groups on LinkedIn. This is just a short training to help you understand the value of using groups. So here, I'm on my profile page here on LinkedIn. Click this little 9 squares. I call it the little work crosshatch. So if you click on that, you get a drop-down menu, and then you go to these 3 little people icon, and it's the group, so you click on that. And that takes you to groups, and you'll have 2 different types of groups. You'll have your groups that you're already a member of, and so this is the logo for our Excellence in Network Marketing group, and then you can see all the groups that you have requested to join if they have accepted you into that. And one thing that I have noticed is that it takes time for people to accept you into the groups on LinkedIn. It's just that people are still getting used to the fact that LinkedIn really works. So we'll just take our Excellence in Network Marketing. That is our group right now. And what you can do is you can do a couple of things. One thing you can do is you can go into click and get into the group. And then you can copy this URL up here. So copy this URL up here. And then once you've copied that URL, then you can hit this little back arrow. This is your best friend on LinkedIn. So you can go back to the list of groups that you are in. And so if you're in a network marketing business, you want to go to the network marketing groups and try and join groups that have lots of members. So this is what has 9,000 members. The Art of Network Marketing is an awesome group. Business and Corporate Networking is not necessarily an MLM group or a network marketing group. So I think I'll just try this one, the Art of Network Marketing. Now remember, you have copied that URL from our group, and we're going to just do some simple inviting. So we're going to invite people. So once you're in the group, you can click See All, and you can see all the members in the group. And see all these message boxes here? You can direct message all kinds of people without being connected to them directly. So I see Rachel Nguyen here. So we'll click on message, and I'll just say something simple like, "Hi, Rachel. I notice you are in network. And then you can say, I found So I'll just make it something simple like this. I notice you are in network marketing. I found a great group you will love to join. Come visit us." And then you can paste the link in there that you've got from our group, right? Hit enter and say, "I look forward to seeing you there." Exclamation mark. And I always put cheers, Christine, or just you can just sign your name. And then you click send. And so Rachel's going to get an invitation to come and join our group. And you can do that. So you can invite people into our group. That's one thing you can do. And the second thing I'm going to show you is you can go into these groups. And so whatever business you have, look at this. James is a 2nd level connection. Rachel was a 3rd level connection. So she's 3 people away from me. 1st level connection means that I'm connected directly to you, right? But then you're connected to somebody else. That somebody else might be Susan. And so she becomes a 2nd level connection from me. And so Susan is then connected to Joe, and Joe becomes a 3rd level connection from me. So that hopefully helps you understand the different levels of or different degrees of connection or levels of connection. So let's say I want to send James a message. I don't need to send him a request to connect. I can just direct message him and say, but first I'm going to check his profile. I'm just going to see a little bit about him so that I can make this message really relevant to him and me. And so he's a global entrepreneur, LinkedIn's health and wellness, retail mentor, home business coach, explorer. He looks like he's pretty experienced in life. So I can just send him a direct message, and I can just say something simple like, "Hi, James. I notice that we are in the same group. And then, because you've looked at his profile a little bit, you might want to scroll down and see a little bit more. Maybe take a glance at his About page, see what it says in there. He's got 40 plus years in business. He's built large organizations, and he loves making new friends. He's discovered the secrets of working from home. Chief and Officer, Worldwide Wealth Achievers Alliance. Just trying to find out what companies he's been involved with. But he's done a very good job with his profile. He hasn't mentioned the name of his company anywhere that I can see on his profile. And that's great, because in network marketing, as soon as we start mentioning the name of the company that we're in, it kind of kills any opportunity we have of enticing people or introducing people into our business. So we have to find things that are going to excite them, something that's going to be free that we have to offer them, something that they're going to want to jump at and get more information about. So we need to speak to them from their point of view. So that's why I say I noticed that we're in the same network marketing group. I also see that you are very experienced with building large networks. You rock. And then I like to say, tell me, what do you like best about network and then I look forward to hearing more from you. Another thing and the thing is, and also you can say, myself, I've been for 26 years and am still but something like that, and you can entice them to come to your and then say, if you would like to know more, please type yes in the comments below. And that way, so you don't get into trouble for just throwing links all over the place. I look forward, instead of saying I look forward to hearing from you, I'm going to say I look forward to getting to know you better. And then cheers. And then you can send that. So I'm going to go ahead and send that. And then that way he will get back to me. And if he's interested, he'll type yes in this comment section below here. And that's what I wanted to share with you today. And if you have questions, feel free to message me privately. Just do PM to me in our group. Make it a great day.